Hi, my name is Melissa, and I am an actual client of Levinson Law Group, Gordon Levinson. And I was in a really bad accident, really bad car accident.
I was involved in an accident.
I was involved in the car accident.
My mother was hit by a car.
After the accident, I didn't know what to do exactly.
Their support staff is amazing. Mr. Levinson himself is amazing. He got all the possible care that I needed. I didn't have to do anything.
So I called Gordon Levinson at the Levinson Law Group, and they took care of me the best way possible. I really loved the way they treated me.
He did an amazing job for all of us.
I was very, very impressed with Gordon's knowledge of the diagnoses of the spine and all the certain injuries that can occur from a car accident, and how you were sitting, and just the amazing, very, very thorough.
All I had to do was call Mr. Levinson. He set up all the appointments for me. Just had to go there, did all my physical therapies, got all of my medications done. Didn't have to worry about Kaiser or anyone or a third-party biller or anything like that.
And he's a good person, so I would recommend him to any of my relatives, friends, and anybody out there that needs a good lawyer. He's right here.
He did an amazing job for us. He was on top of everything all the time, always in communication.
And finally, I was blown away, on top of the world, and thanking God that Gordon got us a six-figure settlement.
I do want to say that if I were to refer Mr. Levinson to any of my friends, I would. Again, everything that was done for me, I am very appreciative.
They handled my case the way I needed to be handled.
We were able to settle my mother's case very, very satisfactorily, and had a much better outcome than we could have ever imagined, and we certainly could never have done it without him.